welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be opening the August 2019 My Paper Box Mini. So if you're not familiar with this subscription, I'm going to go over it just briefly before we get into the unboxing or unbagging. My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription. Now they do have two different levels of their subscription. They have the mini, which is the one I have here, that is only $10 a month, and you receive 3 personalized notepads. And then they do have their grand box that is $28 a month. And in the grand box, you will receive 6 or more items, and it could be personalized notebooks, journals, notepads, monthly calendars, cards, envelopes, and more. They do ship worldwide from the United States, and they're both really awesome. So I have no shortage of notepads, that is for sure, or cards. So we will dive in and see what we've got for August 2019. I do want to remind you guys before we get into it that we do have quite a few giveaways going on. So we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. We have our Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway. We have the Snack With Me box giveaway. We have the Rebecca Mail giveaway where you could win a 3-month subscription, and we have the Tribe Beauty Box giveaway where I'm actually giving away the entire, the whole box for August. So definitely check out those giveaways if you have not already. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We always have a great time. I'm a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. I'm not afraid to admit it. But we do have fun. We have a lot of fun. We do unboxings. I do some haul videos, review videos, sneak peek videos. Our live streams are always a blast. Obviously, giveaways. So go ahead and hit that button. We'd love to have you. And as always, please do leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And make sure you give the video a thumbs up. So let's get into it. It came in this super cute hot pink mailer this month, and it says, "Hello, wild one." So the grand box for this month literally I think has been my favorite, and I've been unboxing this for almost a year. And I think that the August 2019 grand box has been my favorite by far. It was amazing. So let's get in here. Make sure there's nothing else, or is that just good? Okay. All right, so this is what you see when you pull it out. They do always, on the mini, wrap the 3 notepads up, which I think is super cute. And again, everything's personalized. It's so awesome. All right, so it says, "Welcome to August, wild one. This month, unleash your inner animal and get stuff done." That's part of the reason I'm kind of out of it right now, is because I've been trying to get stuff done and get myself more organized. And I'm gonna tell you, you make more of a mess getting organized. But let's see what we got. So the first one is super cute. It is a just regular notepad, but it has a giraffe, and then the giraffe pattern, and my name, because like I said, it is personalized. So that is super cute, great for list making. And then we have another one. This one does not have lines, so it's just a blank notepad with a tiger and my name and some tiger stripes. Rawr. So told you I'm a mess. So then we have our final one is a little bit bigger, and it is lined as was the first one. This one has a little cheetah on it with a cheetah print on the bottom, and again my name. So I really like that all 3 of these are just notepads. Sometimes we get, and I do like them, but sometimes we get different notepads with that may say to do, or may say a grocery list. One time we got one and it was really neat and it's been helpful. But it literally had the different aisles for the grocery store. So sometimes the notepads you receive in the mini aren't actual just notepads. They serve a purpose, a specific purpose, which is really interesting and neat. So this month we literally just got some notepads with the cute animals and the animal print and our name. So it was super fun. So let me know what you think down below. Again, don't forget to enter some of those giveaways, or all of them. You know you want to. Also check out, because we do have a giveaway. I'm actually not the one doing it, but I'm part of it with the Crockpot collab, and there are some awesome prizes with that, y'all. So check out the Crockpot collab video, because you could win if you follow the instructions with that. Super awesome. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.